Hi everyone, welcome to North Star Knife Reviews. Today I have a knife that is a little bit of a mystery and I'm hoping somebody out there can help me solve it. We're going to be taking a look today at this knife made by Camillus. The problem is that I don't know what model this is because it doesn't say. So we'll take a look at it and hopefully somebody out there is able to tell me. Now this was a relatively recent Camillus, I do know that because of the tang stamp, and it does somewhat resemble, at least superficially, a knife that I looked at recently, this Camillus made bullet knife from 1997. Certainly a different blade configuration. It's a 3-layer rather than a 2-layer knife, but it does have sort of a similar look. So let's take a little look at this knife and see if anybody can help me figure out a bit of the history of this. I have looked online, I have looked in knife chat groups, I have looked at old Camillus catalogs, and I am not able to figure it out. So I'm hoping that you can help me. The scales on this are wood. I'm not sure what kind. It could be Cocobolo, but I'm not 100% sure of that. It has brass bolsters, plain bolsters, no threading or anything on them. 2 pins for the cover and 1 back spring pin. It's really well made. There's no gapping on this whatsoever. Got brass liners. It's a 3-layer knife with 3 steel back springs. It's a camp or utility knife. You've got the can opener. You can see nothing on, no tang stamp or any identifying marks on that. We have, this is sort of a nail buster to get these two out. We have the cap lifter screwdriver. Again, no tang stamp, no marking. We have a coping blade, and I really like that. This is instead of an awl or a punch. I really like having this coping blade on here. Again, though, no markings, no tang stamp on this blade. We then have a small saw. It's a little dirty. But once again, no tang stamps, no markings. The saw blade is running at about 2 3/4 inches, a little more, maybe about 3 inches. That coping blade, take one more quick look at that, is about a 2-inch blade. And then the main blade is a spearpoint blade. Now this has the only tang stamp or marking anywhere. So Camillus, New York, USA. No model number. I just don't understand. The blade length on this, about 2 3/4 inches. Again, really a little befuddled by this. I got it secondhand. I don't know anything more about it. If anybody does, please put a comment below. Thanks. Hope you found this interesting. Subscribe. I will catch you next time.